Hi guys, my name is Nonima Digela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Ujaj Rata and what happened yesterday and what to expect this morning. That is just me, my 2 cents opinion on what could happen this morning. We all know that Judge Rata is under fire. He will come down or double down after blocking Nisi. Once there's something that will happen, it's either he's going to come down, act nice, or he's going to double down after the fiasco. Yeah, is all. Tension hits boiling point in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial after yesterday's explosive scenes where Judge Rata Mokgoatlheng told Advocate Mnisi he was blocked from objecting. All eyes are on what judge will do this morning. We are all like waiting. What is he going to do? So let's recap a bit. Yesterday, the courtroom washed in disbelief as Judge Rata shuts down Mnisi, refused to hear objections, and then told the rest of the defense team to go do research on Baloyi's actions. Actions that even the defense lawyers themselves weren't fully told or shown. What was happening? Why are we supposed to go research? They did not ask questions. I don't know whether they were scared or what, but something was happening right there. And it came across as undermining from the side of Judge Rata, condescending and clearly one-sided. And we all know which side is that. He is always siding with George Baloyi, the state prosecutor. That is where his loyalties lie. His loyalties lie with George Baloyi, not with anyone else. So let's talk about the fallout quickly. That moment exposed what many believe is a pattern, a judge who sides with the prosecution, defends Baloyi at every turn, and belittles the defense team in open court. The defense was visibly frustrated and the public took notice of all of that. And guess what else? Judge Rata doesn't care. Judge Rata does not care about the public. Judge Rata cares about his ego. Judge Rata cares about how he looks like. Judge Rata expects people to get over it. Let's move. He's that kind of a person. Get over it. Let's move. He is that kind. And today, what we can see, so this morning, what's going to happen? That's what we are all thinking about, right? Two possibilities. Either Judge Rata will tone it down, trying to restore calm and authority. That's the first thing that he can do. Let's break that down. He may, if you saw yesterday after the fiasco, the drama, he tried to play nice. No, I can give you time if you need time. You can go and do research, Mr. Ramsipile, Ms. Mshololo, etc. Say, research what exactly? That was my question. What exactly are they supposed? They pissed me off because I expected them to ask research. What are we researching? What is responses from all three for me? After Mnisi was shut down, Ramsipile was supposed to say, my lord, me, I'm a bit confused. You are telling me about time and research. Time for what? To research what exactly? And then I'm sure he was going to get pissed again. No, but like, I don't know, because I expected the defense, Ramsipile and Mshololo, to say, you can't be telling us to go and do a research. For what? What's going on? And what are we going to research about? Because the person that is representing number one is Nisi, the one that you shut down. So if you are going to expect us to go and research, what must happen? We can't speak on behalf of I choose number one if he doesn't have a lawyer because you shut the lawyer down. That's what I expected from the other defense lawyers, but they went to do research, guys. I don't know for what. Maybe they do. I'm not a legal anything. Then that's why perhaps I do not understand. Because for me, the question was, suppose when you are saying you want us to give us time, if we need us time to go and research, you can give us time to do what? That was the question. To research about what? You're going to give me time for what? Research about what? What must I research? Because the bottom line here is Muzi doesn't know what is happening. Muzi was not even aware. So that's what could happen in court this morning. Judge Rata can tone it down today. He can play nice, pretend, because he's good at that. He can pretend and play nice because he always pretends to be nice to the defense. He's not nice to them. He is visibly irritated by them, and let alone Muzi. He doesn't care what Muzi says. He doesn't. He actually doesn't care. The second thing that uJudge Ratha can do, guys, do you know what? Because he is kanda chisa, kanda mchelo kwakhe, I do as I please, angisabi nonke kind of vibes. He is that guy. Angisabi nonke. State, all of you, anginasikhathi angisabi. He can double down and cut off the defense again and show who's the boss. That's what uJudge Ratha could do. It can boil down to that. And he can come back a formula for advocating Messi. He can come back a formula for advocating Messi. And I say, ungamyeki, khwele phezu kwakhe Messi, ungamyeki. That is me. Ukhwele phezu kwakhe ungamyeki. Because this guy can come back today, establish it down to make sure that, and the chances are, kungangabikho ne-sitting, that's the third thing. Kungangabikho nalo sitting today, ingaqala, iphele isaqala, at get, because he's a runner. Nisi is the well-known runner, right? But him, uJudge Ratha, is a courtroom runner. He can just get up and say, I adjourn. That's the other thing that can happen. The third thing that can happen, uJudge Ratha, they can confront him. There can be a confrontation between him and the advocate in Messi, and he can just get up and leave and say, I adjourn, I'll see you Monday at 10. Angayenza loo nto. He is that type of a person. He is that type of a person, uJudge Ratha. But whichever way it goes, today's session will be critical because yesterday's behavior has already raised serious questions about judicial conduct and fairness in this trial. Unless he got calls to deal with him, then today will continue until 3:30. But if not, he can double down, guys. Oh, he can double down, this guy. He can double down, I promise you. Those are the things that uJudge Ratha can do in that courtroom. Nasi. Akasabi aloku. Angaba like anginisabi nonke ngizani slice noba imillion. Nonke zimillions ngiyi-1 nginislice one by one. Anginandaba nani anginisabi. Uyila kind uguy. Akanandaba. If they called him to order, his wife, the other judges, Ledwaba and others, if they call him and call him to order, fine. He will calm down and tone it down for today and try to suck it up. But he can double down. I bet on my money on doubling down if Mnisi challenges him. It can go either way. But if he feels challenged, uJudge Ratha, kade bamthethisa, he doesn't care. Ungikhanda limtshela okwakhe, guys. Khanda limtshela okwakhe. That's who he is. There's nothing that anyone can do about that. So, guys, it is what it is. What are your thoughts? Let's talk in the comment section. If Judge Ratha doesn't correct today, Kothlwane, guys. If Judge Ratha doesn't correct cause, this could end up being a powerful ammunition on appeal, not just about evidence, but about how the court itself was run. And I don't want him to. I want these guys to deal with it. And he is giving all the reasons why the appeal will be appealable and won in the SCA. He is giving all of those. He is giving all those things to the defense. This is a good ammunition. I want Messi to frustrate him, challenge him so that he doubles down to the core. I want that to happen. That will be good for an appeal. He must challenge the hell out of him so that he does not fix the cause, but he doubles down. Nisi must do that to him. That would be good for an appeal or even a mistrial. That would be good. I want him to do that. Akazikwazi mos uzokuncenga ngubani ke? Anginamama yakhe phaya. Uzokuncenga ngubani? Akazikwazi mos uJudge Ratha. Akazikwazi, guys. Honestly, akazikwazi. So uzoncengwa ngubani ke? Honestly. I promise you, If this one, it will boil down to one thing, him getting angry again. I hope Nisi challenges him. I hope so. I hope Nisi challenges him. He doesn't let go. Honestly. But sizobona phambili khona ke ukuthi what's going to happen. Time will tell. This is Judge Ratta after all. He doesn't care. Akawagivi ama-F uJudge Ratta. Akawagivi. He's just that guy who does not give a flip. He's a snapper. He's an angry man. He's bitter. He's always ready to fight. He doesn't have emotional intelligence. The 55 years is for nothing. It's decoration. The 55 years is a decoration for Judge Ratta. That's why I say I hope Nisi makes him double down instead of apologizing or being nice. I hope Nisi makes him double down by questioning him. I pray for that. I honestly do. I'm sorry, I don't feel anything for Judge Ratta, but I want him to do all of that. It works in favor of these guys. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? Please stay tuned. We will bring you every twist and turn that happens in that courtroom and all the outbursts from the courtroom as it unfolds. And the outburst comes from the judge himself all the damn time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you also share the latest courtroom breakdowns straight from the Meyiwa trial. And I'm reporting for you at Noni M Podcast. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Do enjoy your day. Wena, what do you think, Judge Ratta? Drop your comments. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's talk. Bye-bye.